guys, and welcome back to my channel, Olivia GT. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Target haul. Look, I went to Target today, so let's open this. First of all, we got LOL dolls. These are super cool because they're two. Like, there's baby and I think big, but I'm not sure. Maybe the surprises are here. I don't know, but I think there's two. Next, we got rainbow corns, puppy corns, bow surprise. Look how cool this is. And last but not least, I still have one more toy. Yeah, I think. Okay. We've got these they're called Lil Woodsies. They're super cute because they're kind of like, what's it called? Little critters, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm just going to grab the other surprise. You guys, I got this toy from Wendy's when I went today, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So it's like this, what's it called? Astronauts and aliens. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to open it with you guys. So first, of course, is the astronaut and aliens. We're going to do little. I think this is more little because it's like, I don't know, but little, medium, and big because this is more like legendary, I guess. Let's open it. Oh, there's a hole right here. Whoa, it's like cardboard pieces, but it's okay. I think we're gonna get this piece and we're gonna attach. Oh yes. Oh, I'm getting it. My sister got one of these too, so I can actually build it. Okay, first pieces. Now I guess it's, I think it's right here, this piece. This piece. Oh, no, this goes here, I think. This goes here. Oh, guess I didn't see that there. I think you got, oh no, it's like this. But how do I put that like that? Yeah, I think so. Ta-da! Look how cool it is. That's super cool. Now we're gonna move on to videos. Okay. Eeny, meeny, mo. Catch a tiger in the top. Eeny, meeny, mo. Okay. Mo. How do I open this? Oh my gosh. Oh, I saw it. It's like a little zipper thing. I'm so excited. Oh! Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. Oh, it has their little whiskers. What is it called? I want to see what it's called. Oops, it's just a little collector's guide. Wait. No way we got the... I think we got the mystery one. Oh no, because it's a chick. Okay. That's the little Woodsy's home. So we're gonna put him back in its little home. It's so cute. It's so fuzzy, guys. They're fuzzy, just like little critters. I think most of you guys say that tell them like little critters, but I say like little critters. I'm gonna put it next time because it's like super. Okay. Next one, where's the little super thingy? Here. Is it the same? Oh, it's like. Oh, it has a hat. Which one is it? I can't find it, guys, but I do have this little koala panda thing. Did we get a rare again? Guys, there's not none of these are in the collector's guide, but they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, let's put them back. There we go. Next prize. Okay, let's put this. Oh wait, I'm gonna tell my dad to close it. Okay guys, now we're doing the LOL surprise. Okay, I think you have to. Okay. Oh. I'll open this. Oh. I'm sorry guys if I'm destroying this for you. Oh my gosh, why is there confetti here? Oh man, this is messy guys. Now I'm in a hotel room. I have to clean that up then. Okay, we don't want more messes. Hope there's nothing else in here. Fall down please. Why is there this? It's like a trap. That's so bad. I didn't read it. That it was gonna be so messy. There was a surprise, I think. Oh my gosh. So much confetti. Just get in there, confetti. Oh my gosh, more confetti. Okay, there we go. No more confetti. Man, there's so much confetti here. Oh, not wiggle it again. Okay, now. Oh, yes, okay. Oh, wow. Yep, we've got all of these surprises. This is super cool, guys. Okay, first surprise, little surprise. No collector's guide? Weird. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Aww. Next surprise. That's so cute, guys. I'm totally adored with that baby. What is in here? Shoesies. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's fancy. It looks like the, I don't think, it's called Louis Vuitton, I think. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. Ooh, much more surprises. Yay. Oh, no way. No way. Is this the girl that I always wanted? Oh my gosh. No way. I think I know which one, guys. I'm so happy right now. Another shoe. Wait, I think. Wait, another. I just have one shoe. No, another shoe. Weird. In the pack, I just got one shoe. Another shoe. This bottle. And I think I got the one that I've always wanted. I think it is the one that I've always wanted. 3, 2, 1. Let's put her things on. So first, her skirt. Oh, it's so cute. And her little shirt. But I think it was the old one that I wanted. But this is so cute because it's like a little weak mansion. She is adorable, like super adorable. And get on there. Okay, since she just got one shoe, that's really weird. I think it's like a scam, maybe. It scammed us. I don't think it did, but maybe because of it, so it was really cheap. But it's okay. I think she's color changing. I'm not sure. No signal of that missing shoe. What's here? No missing shoe. That's whatever. Okay, I have so many trash here. But we got this one, the little baby. Oh, her shoes. Wait, she doesn't need shoes technically because she's a baby. I'm gonna steal your shoes. We're stealing the shoes, but they're super cute too because they're like, oh my gosh, these are too big for you. Oh no, they're not. They're the normal size. I just thought because they look like normal size. Oh my gosh. Struggling to put these on. Oh my gosh! They are meant for the baby. They don't fit. Okay, there we go. Even though it's not her original shoes, it could work for us. We've got her and the baby with the bag and the bottle. That's so cute! Put it aside with all the trash. Rainbow corn! Rainbow corn time! Where can... Oh! Oh, go more up. Go up. Oh, man. This is so tricky. One piece of trash. Guys, I'm gonna get, or do you want like the satisfying part? Oops. Oh my gosh, this is so not easy, guys, and I'm wasting my time. You want to see the surprise now, Rainbow Corn? If you'd be so kind and let us just open this super easy. So funny. Oh yes, finally! So much super surprise here. Guys, I'm so sorry if the trash is blocking you. Because we gotta do something about that. But look! It's a rainbow corn. Okay, open it. Oh, wait, did we get it? Which one did we get? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, which one did we get? Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, we got stickers. That's super cool. Maniac. We want to see the maniac. Oh. Which one is the maniac? Oh, it's like a little, I don't know, it's like a fox. It's jelly. You can put it on top of your pen. Oh, it's super cute. Okay. Oh, it's slime. Well, it's puppy corn, low surprise, and it's slime, guys. I know it's slime. But it's still super cute. Now let's see which one we got. Ours is that one. Boo Boo. Which one did we get this one? That one. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. It doesn't say its name, I think. You have to put it. Yeah, you basically have to. But that's so cute. I'm going to put it right here, this rainbow corn. On it, its tail and like little wings. And it's, oh, I love it. Okay, stay with your baby. I'm going to get its little egg in here for him to get in his little egg. Oh my gosh, I love it. How did they able to do this? And finally, getting the rainbow corn in. Go in there. Guys, this is super not easy. Or do I sleep with the rainbow? I think I will be able to sleep with it. Come with me. And this is violet, one of my favorite colors. And we're gonna let its baby here sit in its little egg right here. Get that egg and pop it in. I thought it was gonna be more big, but it's super cute when it's little because you can like carry it around wherever you want. And oh my god, so not easy to get in here. Yes, finally. The rainbow corn we'll get all of our surprises that we got today. So I'm gonna put this one in my bed. Oh, we got Peel surprise like this. Oh, I love the house. It's house. Okay, he loves his home, so we have to treat him really well. If he loves his home. Yeah. Super cute, huh? When you see my bed. Wait. Okay, guys, my sister got in here.
Hello, guys.
Oh, look, this one looks a little bit like my sister, but she doesn't have freckles. Look. I'm just putting this shirt on. But this was a great haul with you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.